As a curly hair specialist for more than 12 years in the commercial and bridal industry, I could tell you that curly hair does take work. We live in a society now that tells us to tame and hide our texture and our expression, which leads to beautiful people feeling frustration, embarrassment, or shame about something that is so special. Hey curl friends, I'm Amina. I'm your curly hair specialist, and I'm here to equip and empower you on your curly hair journey. On this channel, you'll learn to embrace your curls, care for your curls, and express yourself through your hair. With my clients, I've seen really amazing transformations happen when folks learn to embrace their curls. Embracing that any length of hair is beautiful, any texture of hair is beautiful, and any style of hair is beautiful, as long as it truly feels beautiful to you. And my mission with this channel is to help you get there. Thanks for watching and subscribing, and remember that wherever you are in your curly hair journey, your curls are just as beautiful as you are. Bye!